How to turn off work anniversary on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to turn off the work anniversary on LinkedIn. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch the Chrome browser on your device or you can also launch any kind of web browser. Click the search bar at top of the screen, type in linkedin.com, press enter, then you will land on the home page of LinkedIn once you have signed into the official interface of LinkedIn. After a while, in order to turn off work anniversary, simply click the Me button at top right corner of the screen. Select settings and privacy from this drop-down menu box. On this left panel, you will see different options. Simply click on notifications. And under this notification, you will see a bunch of options. You have to select the third option, that is connection or connecting with others. And then you will see the notification has been toggled on for this related notifications option, that is invitation to connect, updates from your network and many more. Simply you need to locate birthday and anniversary and you need to toggle the button on for all the notification received for birthdays and anniversary. Then you can easily toggle on the notification button if necessary further. For now, if you don't get any kind of birthday or anniversary option notification on this panel, simply you can switch the button on for the top left corner and you can turn off the notifications for birthdays and anniversary on LinkedIn. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.